What's up, YouTube friends? Now we're having a little get together here for my brother's birthday, so I decided I wanted to make some fruit dip, and I thought I'd bring you along. This is a quintessential recipe in our house for the summertime, and it's very delicious and very easy. And all it takes is 3 ingredients. So the things you're going to need are an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, a box of Jello, any flavor, today I'm using berry blue, and some milk. And that's it. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my cream cheese and stick it in this bowl. And I've left it out on the counter so it's very soft. Next, you want to take your box of Jello and dump it on in. And finally, I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. Now, just give it a good whisk. Now you could just use a hand mixer or a stand mixer if you want. I don't have a hand mixer, and I really didn't want to bust out Gilbert just for this little recipe. So just keep whisking. And just like that, this dip is already done. So I'm just going to put it in this pretty bowl for our party, but first, I need to taste it. This is so creamy, cool, and refreshing. It goes great with any of those summertime parties. Now that recipe was so fast and easy, I hope you give it a try. This would be great for any potluck, and I had a great idea that maybe you could do a red, white, and blue theme. You could make 3 different dips, one with red Jello, one with blue Jello, and for the white, you could use white grape Jello, but how about some white chocolate pudding? I think that would be delicious. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a question about this video or any of my other videos, or would just like to leave a suggestion for a future upcoming video, leave me a comment. If you'd like to support this channel, head on over to Patreon at Scrappy's Patch, where just as little as $1 a month would really help keep these videos coming. You can also friend me over at Twitter and Facebook at Scrappy's Patch. Feel free to share these videos across your social medias. And as always, thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a great summer, and I'll see you next time.